Hello students, welcome back to the EVS2 session. Today let us continue with the topic Swaraj First Conquest. Our today's subtopic is the first capital of Swaraj. One day Shivaji climbed up the hill with a select band of his followers and took possession. Possession means control of the partially completed fort. Partially completed means only one part that was completed. The money found on Torana was used to complete the fortifications of Murumdev. Shivaji named this fort Rajgarh. Stonemasons, carpenters, blacksmiths, water carriers, other workers, all the people got busy. They built the Raj Mahal, Bara Mahal and 18 workshops there where they started with the work. In this way, Rajgarh became the first capital of Swaraj. So Shivaji undertook the fort of Murumdev and renamed it as Rajgarh, and Rajgarh became the first capital of Swaraj. Our next topic, Shivaji's rapid progress. In this way, after capturing the fort of Murumdev, Shivaji renamed the fort as Rajgarh. From then onwards, Shivaji moved swiftly and captured one fort after another in Mawal. The whole country, known as Bara Mawal, that is the 12 Mawals, was overflowing with joy and excitement. The Patils and Deshmukhs from many villages came and swore allegiance. Swore allegiance means Kasam Khana. Allegiance means faithfulness to Shivaji. But Mawal had its own share of blacklegs who were ever ready to put a spoke in the fast-moving wheel of Swaraj. Jealous of Shivaji's success, they complained to the Adil Shahi collector at Shirwal. The collector dispatched messengers to Bijapur and informed Adil Shah of Shivaji's rapid progress. So some people there, they were very jealous of Shivaji. Why? Because he was capturing one after the another many forts. So some people, they got jealous and they complained to the collector of Adil Shah, who was at Shirwal. Our next subtopic, Shivaji, the shrewd politician. Shrewd means chalak. So what happened? The people, those who were jealous of Shivaji's progress, they complained about him to the collector of Adil Shah. Yes, and then what did that person did? That person passed on the message of Shivaji to Adil Shah at Bijapur. Now let us see what is going to happen. Adil Shah was most surprised to get the news. He asked Shahaji Raje for an explanation because Shahaji Raje was working under Adil Shah. So he asked Adil Shah that why his son is doing so. Shahaji Raje got himself out of this difficult situation by telling the Sultan that Shivaji had probably, means purposely, taken over the fort for better administration of the Jahangir. So Shahaji Raje gave a very intelligent answer to Adil Shah. He said that all this he is doing only for the sake of Adil Shah's administration only. Then Shivaji also sent the message to Sultan. Now what was that message? Let us see. He said, I have taken possession of the fort for better administration of the countryside. We did this only in the interest of the Sultan. There was no evil design at the back of this action. So this were the statement said by Shivaji. But were this true? No, Shivaji was doing all this for making his own Swaraj. He was not doing all this for the Adil Shah. The two forts of Kondana and Purandar too had strategic locations. Shivaji used his political skill and took control of both the forts. This means that Shivaji took under his control two more forts, Kondana and Purandar fort. The next fort to come under his sway means control, was Rohida fort. This was fast work indeed, and there was nothing to stop Shivaji now. So, in this way, we learned that Shivaji captured fort after fort